Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the chassis so the rest fits precisely. First, measure and cut a 14 cm by 7 cm rectangle and score the center. This gives you a crisp spine that mimics the phone body. Once done, fold each long edge inward about 5 mm and glue multiple paper layers to reach phone-like thickness. This is crucial for rigidity. Make small marks for speaker and camera placement. These guides prevent mistakes later, so double-check alignment before the glue sets. Once the chassis is stable, build the internal frame to hold components and give realistic depth. You glue perpendicular support strips every 2 cm inside the body. These prevent warping and act like internal ribs. Next, trim the clear plastic screen slightly smaller than the opening so it sits flush, and secure it with thin glue along the bezel. Then craft small button tabs and cut precise port slots. These details create tactile realism and make the model feel like To finish, refine edges and add the cosmetic layers that sell the illusion. Sand any rough paper edges and wrap the body with colored paper or thin paint for a uniform look. Make sure seams meet cleanly. Apply small decals for camera and speaker mesh and seal joints with a tiny bead of glue. If parts warp or lift, re-glue the area and press under a flat weight or clamp for 1 to 2 hours. This realigns fibers and cures the bond, fixing most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.